Hi guys! I'm currently doing a challenge with a friend. We're both opening the animal party box, which is actually free and themed. Ayan, these are the things that you could possibly get. He's aiming to get free Ren. I am hoping to get free Ren, Fern, or Himmel. One of those three. So, without further ado, here we go! Guys, parang no card. Here's what my friend got. So, ang sabi niya kasi, pag hindi free Ren to, he doesn't want it. So, nagdadasal siya ngayon na free Ren yung akin para makakapagpalit kami. So na ang verdict. Titinan ko ba yung card o mamaya na? Okay. Nandun yung card sa loob guys, hindi ko pa siya nakikita. In fairness, ang laki niya. So this is for 749 pesos. So 750 isa. We got it from Toys R Us. Ito na. In 3, 2, 1. I got free! Ito yung kanya, guys. Tcharan! Ayan. In fairness, ang laki niya, tapos ang bigat. So, parang sobrang sulit. And grabe, guys, it's so fluffy! Tapos the face is parang, alam mo yung parang material ng Funko Pop.
Oo.
Same material sa Funko Pop, ganun. So yun, sobrang fluffy. Ay no, can you see?
Strawless lang po tayo. Strawless.
Ayan. Super fluffy. May buntot! Ayan. I got one! Happy Kid Yarn. Happy Yarn! Yay! So guys, if you want one, alam niyo na where to get it. So Toys R Us, kailan mo ako sponsoran? Yun lang. Bye!